Did you know, my friend, that 95% of people are using castor oil incorrectly? Don't be one of them. When I first tried castor oil, I had no idea what I was doing wrong, until it almost ruined my skin. So, I've dedicated myself to researching the best ways to use castor oil and avoid common pitfalls. After talking to dozens of experts, I've uncovered the key to using castor oil effectively. My experience with castor oil spans over a decade, and I've learned some crucial do's and don'ts. I've also read through dozens of reviews and scientific studies to ensure you get the most accurate information. So, join me as we dive into the fascinating world of castor oil, and let's make sure you get it right from the start. Let's start with proper application techniques. Applying castor oil correctly can make a significant difference in reaping its numerous benefits. Whether you're aiming for radiant skin, luscious hair, or relief from muscle pain, the right techniques can make all the difference. Let's dive into how to use castor oil effectively and safely, ensuring you get the most out of this versatile oil. For constipation relief, castor oil is a powerful natural laxative that can help alleviate constipation. To use it safely, mix a teaspoon of castor oil with a glass of warm water or juice. Drink it on an empty stomach for the best results. The oil works by stimulating the intestines and promoting bowel movements. However, use it sparingly to avoid potential side effects like cramping or diarrhea. For skin care, to moisturize and heal your skin, start by cleansing the area where you plan to apply the oil. Castor oil is thick and can be quite viscous, so it's best to apply a small amount first. Warm the oil slightly by rubbing it between your palms or using a double boiler method. This helps the oil to penetrate the skin more effectively. Massage the oil gently into the skin using circular motions. If you are targeting specific areas like dry patches, scars, or stretch marks, leave the oil on overnight for maximum absorption. Always perform a patch test before applying castor oil extensively to ensure you don't have an adverse reaction. For immune support, boost your immune system by using castor oil packs. To make a castor oil pack, soak a clean cloth in warm castor oil and place it on your abdomen. Cover it with plastic wrap and apply a heating pad or hot water bottle on top. Leave it on for 30-60 minutes. This method helps stimulate lymphatic drainage and improve circulation, aiding in the removal of toxins and boosting overall immune function. For hair health, castor oil is renowned for promoting hair growth and improving scalp health. To use it effectively, start by sectioning your hair to ensure even application. Warm the oil slightly and apply it directly to your scalp, using your fingertips to massage it in. This not only helps with absorption, but also stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth. After applying the oil to your scalp, distribute the remaining oil through the length of your hair, focusing on the ends to prevent split ends and breakage. For a deep conditioning treatment, leave the oil in your hair overnight, covering it with a shower cap to avoid staining your pillow. Wash it out thoroughly in the morning with a mild shampoo for eyelashes and eyebrows. To enhance the thickness and length of your eyelashes and eyebrows, use a clean mascara wand or a cotton swab. Dip it into the castor oil, ensuring you don't use too much, as it can drip into your eyes and cause irritation. Carefully apply the oil to your eyelashes, starting from the base and moving towards the tips. For eyebrows, brush the oil in the direction of hair growth. It's best to apply castor oil before bed and leave it on overnight. Wash it off in the morning with a gentle cleanser. For joint and muscle pain, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it effective for soothing sore muscles and joints. Warm the oil and apply it directly to the affected area. Massage it gently, allowing the warmth to penetrate deep into the tissues. To enhance its effectiveness, You can cover the area with a warm compress or heating pad for 20-30 minutes. This helps to increase blood flow and accelerate healing. Next, choose the right type of castor oil. Selecting the right type of castor oil is crucial to fully benefit from its numerous health and beauty applications. When choosing castor oil, look for cold-pressed or cold-processed varieties, as these methods preserve the oil's natural properties and ensure maximum effectiveness. Cold-pressed castor oil retains more nutrients and has a higher concentration of beneficial compounds like ricinoleic acid. Additionally, opt for organic castor oil to avoid exposure to pesticides and chemicals. Always check for a reputable brand that guarantees purity and quality. Using high-quality castor oil can make a significant difference in your results, whether you're using it for skincare, hair health, or therapeutic purposes. You'll find my top recommendation for reliable castor oil in the video description below, but you can buy it from a store or another place. The important thing is to follow the suggested quality. Now, storage and shelf life tips. To ensure your castor oil stays fresh and effective, store it in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. Use an airtight container to prevent oxidation and contamination. Refrigeration can extend its shelf life, but it's not necessary if kept in optimal conditions. Always check for changes in color, smell, or consistency, as these can indicate the oil has gone bad. Proper storage will help maintain the quality and potency of your castor oil for up to a year. Moving on to performing an allergy patch test. Before diving headfirst into the wonderful world of castor oil, it's smart to do a quick allergy patch test. Your skin will thank you. Apply a small amount of castor oil on a patch of skin, like the inside of your wrist or elbow. Cover it with a bandage and wait for 24 hours. If you don't see any redness, itching, or swelling, you're good to go. Think of it as a first date with castor oil. Test the waters before fully committing. Better safe than itchy. Now, internal use precautions. Using castor oil internally can be beneficial, but it's important to do it safely. Here are a few simple tips to keep in mind. Stick to the right amount. Only take about a teaspoon of castor oil. Taking too much can cause stomach cramps and diarrhea, which nobody wants. Consult your doctor. Before you start, especially if you have any health conditions or are pregnant, check with your doctor. They can give you the best advice tailored to your needs. Short-term use only. Use castor oil for quick relief of constipation, but not as a long-term solution. Overusing it can mess with your digestive system. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water when taking castor oil internally to avoid dehydration. Watch for reactions. If you notice any signs of an allergic reaction like itching or swelling, stop using it and talk to your doctor. Common mistake: overuse. One of the most common mistakes with castor oil is using too much of it. While it's tempting to slather it on for faster results, more isn't always better. Overuse can lead to greasy skin, clogged pores, and even digestive issues if taken internally. Think of castor oil like chocolate. Enjoy it in moderation for the best experience. Stick to the recommended amounts to avoid turning a beneficial treatment into a messy situation. Remember, a little goes a long way with this potent oil. Health conditions to avoid castor oil. While castor oil is celebrated for its incredible health benefits, there's a crucial caveat. It can be harmful under certain conditions. Before you dive into its use, make sure you know when to steer clear. Here are specific health conditions where using castor oil might do more harm than good. Pregnancy and lactation. Castor oil is a potent laxative and can stimulate uterine contractions, which may lead to premature labor. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid using castor oil without consulting their healthcare provider. Gastrointestinal disorders. Individuals with existing gastrointestinal issues such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, should avoid castor oil. Its strong laxative effect can exacerbate these conditions, leading to severe discomfort and complications. Hemorrhoids. While castor oil can relieve constipation, it might not be suitable for individuals with hemorrhoids. The oil's strong laxative effect can increase bowel movements and potentially irritate hemorrhoids further. Intestinal blockages. People with intestinal blockages or severe abdominal pain should avoid using castor oil, as its laxative properties can worsen these conditions. Always seek medical advice if you have these symptoms before using any laxative, including castor oil. Appendicitis. Individuals suspected of having appendicitis should not use castor oil. Its use can worsen the inflammation and potentially lead to more severe complications. Ulcers. People with stomach or intestinal ulcers should avoid using castor oil. The oil can irritate the mucous membranes and worsen ulcer symptoms. Chronic diarrhea. Those who suffer from chronic diarrhea should avoid castor oil. Its laxative effect can aggravate the condition, causing dehydration and further digestive issues. Recent surgery. Anyone who has recently undergone abdominal or gastrointestinal surgery should avoid castor oil until fully recovered. The oil's strong laxative properties can interfere with the healing process and cause complications. Allergic reactions. Some people may experience allergic reactions to castor oil, including skin rashes, itching, and swelling. It is crucial to perform a patch test before using castor oil topically. If you notice any allergic symptoms, discontinue use immediately. Frequency and safe. Quantity of use. Let's talk about how to use castor oil the right way so you get all the benefits without any problems. Imagine castor oil as a rich dessert. Using just a little gives you the best experience. For your skin and hair, try applying it 2-3 times a week. A few drops for your face or about a tablespoon for your hair is plenty since it's thick and potent. For your eyelashes and eyebrows, a nightly dab with a clean mascara wand will help them grow thicker and fuller. If you're using it to ease sore muscles or joints, 2-3 times a week should be enough. Warm it up a bit, apply it to the sore area, and gently massage it in. When it comes to digestive health, use it sparingly. A teaspoon for occasional constipation relief works well, but don't overdo it, as it can upset your stomach. Remember, moderation is key with castor oil. Use it wisely, and you'll enjoy all its benefits without any side effects. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more health tips. Thank you for watching, and take care.